Okay, y'all, we back with Young Thug YSL Rico trial. Okay, they 120, but it's supposed to start up today with 121 with Woody. But I want to tell y'all what I paid attention to the prosecution team. I noticed that they try to pretend like they should be listening to what's going on in the court, but it seemed like they not paying attention what's going on. Look like they acting like they busy or something. I don't know what. I never seen prosecutors don't pay attention to what's been said or what been told in court. So let's look at them right here. Watch sharp. It's crossed over examining Woody. They acting like they not paying attention or they don't want to pay attention. I never seen prosecutors behave the way they behaving. What are they doing where they can't listen?
This incident, correct? Yes. Okay. Fair enough. I'm gonna ask you about
Look at them.
of Rich Homie Quan's father's barbershop. Okay? Is that okay? No. Okay, well I gotta do. You're aware that Rich Homie Quan's father does own a barbershop in Atlanta, correct? I guess. Okay.
See how they not paying attention?
Someone shot up Rich Homie Quan's father's barbershop.
I really hope that this is Lil Woody last moment in time being on in this, on stand, have to testify. I really do. You can notice that the judge even watching them. They not the judge watching the same thing I'm watching. They ain't paying attention. They ignoring what's going on with the defense, what the defense saying. But when they on the floor, they want everybody's attention.
Correct? I guess. Okay. And this was a big deal. Rich Homie Quan, at least at that time, was a well-known rapper.
Look at them. And the judge looking at him.
And Rich Homie Quan was trying to find answers to who shot up his father's barbershop, correct? I mean, he came to you for answers. All right. You knew Rich Homie Quan, right? Sound like it. Okay. And he came to you for answers, and he told you that he thought Trevante Turner, threat, shot up his father's barbershop. Right? And you took it upon yourself to convince Rich Homie Quan that it was not threat. Right? And you did that, at least partially, because you knew that Rich Homie Quan was thinking about putting money on Threat's head, correct? And when I say money on Threat's head, taking out a contract to have Rich Homie, to have Trevante Turner, Threat.
Why Miss Hilton looking like that?
25,000, right? Okay. On January 28th, 2015, you were asked.
My thing is this. He's saying, okay, hold up. Now, Sharp is asking him questions. And Woody is saying, I'm listening. He's not answering the questions. Sharp, he needs to answer your question. I mean, you just standing right there talking, but you're not getting no response. Yeah, I noticed something about this courtroom. Everybody want attention like they doing a auction. They auction out they. I'm sorry, y'all. They're like they auctioning out themselves, to get attention. Are they practicing the law with Young Thug Rico trial? That's what it seems like. They are attorneys in practice, something. I don't know, because they talk. They like to talk, but they don't. They ask the question, but don't want to let nobody answer the question. Like they trying to prove themselves to the judge. I don't know. But it's not about the attorney. It's about what's going on with Williams. It's about Jeffrey Williams and why it's held.
Father's barbershop, correct? You said when? January 28, 2015, during the interviews that we last published DS22A, which is States 378 Yankee Bravo, and the time is 7:24:00 to 7:27:30. All right.
And another thing, y'all think that Shark is Mr. Shark is trying to go against Woody. No, he trying to help Woody.
Investigator Dennis, Investigator Gator, correct? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
He trying to help him.
Rich on corn, like you got 25,000 there, paid you. Is the lady from the picture you just showed? Nah, him just got shot last night. Oh, in the car over there. Okay. He had 25,000 here. We're gonna get to Rich Homie Quan's father's barbershop in a second. Trevante Turner is now sadly deceased, correct? All right. When you were talking about him being shot back in 2015, he was also shot in 2015, correct? Yes. Okay. And that was Shell Cal who shot? I'm not for sure who shot. Okay.
They still acting like they busy. They ain't even paying attention to what's going on in court.
And in there, we still haven't gotten to the barbershop part, but in there, you're talking about conversations with Rich Homie Quan and his problems being linked to the Bloods, correct? I guess. Okay, and Rich Homie Quan not really being built like that. For sure. Okay. And the fact that he was scared to leave the Bloods, but in your opinion, they wanted to use Rich Homie Quan for his money.
They talk. Look at them. That's all they do is talk. Them two.
Again, I'm